Hi guys, Jeffrey from TAP. Just want to share a case study here on this Subaru bad running and rough idle. This car was presented to us with a rough idle and just not running very, very happily. There were no fault codes, no warning lights, so that was a bit of an indicator earlier on. We eventually removed the spark plugs, found out that one side spark plugs were badly fouled, the other side were quite fine. We've got some images here on our website which have been located. You can see here on these side was highly fouled up. On that side, on the near side and the off side were fine. So we scrolled a bit further down, we found that the actual variable valve timing solenoid it was seized, causing it to run incorrectly and therefore cause it to foul up on that side. So once we were able to free that valve and clean it up, get the debris out of it, we were able to get it freed up and get the car running again. Obviously it needed an oil change and some servicing, so poor oil quality was probably the cause of that jamming up. So any sort of variable valve timing issues you might find, let's make sure you've got nice clean oil in the vehicle, good oil pressure, that's going to allow that variable valve timing system to work properly. So in this particular case, we're able to free that valve up. That case is on our website as one of our repair solutions. So if you are a member, make sure you're using it and getting that information off the website. See you next time.